Namaste and hello everybody. So this will be a small guidance, a small reading based on your health, and this is a general reading, guys. So let's start, and will be giving you this reading via some oracle decks and not tarot this time. So your first message is you have the power to make yourself better. So guys, in case you're not going through a very good situation and somewhere mentally, emotionally you're not stable also, so this is a first message for you, which is very encouraging, that you have that power within yourself, that you can come out of this situation and you can make yourself, why only the better, the best. It may take time, but yes, you have that power, you can do that. You may feel right now, how will I come out of this, what will I do, and all everything, but no, you can. The next message is return to center. Chaotic events do not benefit from panicked reactions. The situation may not need a response from you. Stay calm and centered in your heart. So, guys, whatever situation you're going through currently, maybe you're panicking a lot, you're getting anxiety, you're getting anxious, you're getting stressful, maybe you're lashing out on people on everything. But here, can you see the message? Here it has been said, you need not do that. Just stay calm, and if it is not necessary, please do not create unnecessary drama, or take care that because of your such chaos or such extreme reactions, there is no unnecessary drama getting created also. Please take care of it. This is what I would say. Just stay calm and focus on your heart chakra. This is what I'm clearly sensing over here, else that may affect you adversely. So, illuminating the truth. Behind there's one more message. I am willing to see things clearly no matter the outcome. So maybe whatever is your situation going on, maybe some of you are already aware about this outcome, that what will happen because of this and that. But see guys, you need to acknowledge the truth, that you're understanding, that you're sensing it, that your gut feeling is trying to say. You need to process that truth. That's the thing. Whatever the outcome may come, you need to accept whatever is going on clearly. Maybe some hidden truths, maybe a reality about someone, or anything such thing is coming out, but you just cannot run away from this, you cannot avoid it. You need to acknowledge it, guys. This will help you in growing your heart chakra and healing your heart chakra, or else it will create a blockage in your heart chakra which may give you health issues. So guys, let's see one more message from self-care oracle deck. What card or cards wish to tell us? How can we take our care? Okay, so here's the message. So the first message is this beautiful message. I have the power to make a difference in the world. See, beautiful message, and you can affirm it every day. So guys, for me this message is also with regards to you. Even you are your own world, right? Only after that other things matter, other people matter. First, you are your own priority, you are your own world. So you have that power within you to come out of this situation, to heal this situation, and to make a better version. Why better? The best version of yourselves. Second message is, oh wow, even this is a beautiful message. I am a pure magic. Yes guys, affirm this and literally feel it while affirming it, and see what magic you are creating in your life with respect to this situation or anything that you wish, you desire for. So this was a small guidance with respect to your health, and why I thought of giving via oracle guidances is like clear cut messages, and many a times it happens that we are not ready to accept the changes that are coming, or if you're going through any situation, or if we had any sort of heartbreak or anything shocking or something, anything, we are not in that energy to accept it or to heal ourselves also. So somewhere these messages really encourages a lot, that we have that power. So you can also use these messages to affirm yourself and take care of yourself. This is what I would say. Thank you.